10 drinks that lower blood sugar. When managing diabetes, it's vital to be conscientious about your dietary choices, both in food and beverages. Monitoring your carbohydrate intake and its potential impact on your blood sugar levels is essential. The American Diabetes Association suggests opting for drinks that are low in calories or calorie-free to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. This practice aids in effectively managing your condition, minimizing uncomfortable symptoms, and maintaining a healthy weight. Remember, even seemingly healthier options like vegetable juice should be consumed in moderation due to their carbohydrate content. Reduced-fat dairy products contain lactose, a natural milk sugar, so they should be factored into your daily carbohydrate allowance. It's important to note that dairy options are not categorized as low-sugar beverages. For further information, check out this video featuring 10 diabetes-friendly drink alternatives. 1. Fenugreek seed water. Fenugreek seeds offer a natural and effective approach to managing type 2 diabetes. Studies indicate that consuming 10 grams of fenugreek seeds soaked in hot water daily can lead to a reduction in blood sugar levels. These seeds are rich in fiber, which slows down digestion and regulates the absorption of carbohydrates and sugars. Additionally, fenugreek water enhances the body's utilization of sugar and has been shown to positively impact lipid profiles by decreasing total cholesterol and triglyceride levels. While fenugreek seeds are generally safe for consumption, some individuals may experience gastrointestinal discomfort, allergic reactions, or a potential risk of hypoglycemia. It's advisable to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you're taking medications or have specific medical conditions. 2. Cinnamon tea. Cinnamon plays a role in managing diabetes by stimulating insulin activity and reducing oxidative stress. Research has demonstrated its efficacy in lowering blood sugar levels among individuals with type 2 diabetes. Crafting cinnamon tea involves adding half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder to warm water and consuming it daily. While cinnamon is generally safe in moderate amounts, it's crucial to consider potential side effects. Excessive consumption of cinnamon or prolonged use of cinnamon supplements may pose a risk of liver damage due to the presence of coumarin, a compound found in cinnamon. The levels of coumarin vary depending on the type of cinnamon utilized. Therefore, it is advisable to select Ceylon cinnamon, Cinnamomum verum or true cinnamon, over Cassia cinnamon, Cinnamomum cassia, for consumption. Ceylon cinnamon contains lower levels of coumarin, making it a safer option. 3. Black coffee. Multiple studies have established a connection between the polyphenol present in black coffee and a decreased risk of type 2 diabetes. These polyphenol contribute to blood sugar regulation by diminishing carbohydrate absorption and enhancing glucose uptake into cells. To fully experience the stabilizing effects of black coffee, it's crucial to consume it without any additives such as sweeteners, flavored syrups, or milk, as these may interfere with its benefits. Nevertheless, individual reactions to coffee can vary, emphasizing the importance of moderation. Some individuals may encounter adverse effects like elevated heart rate, jitteriness, anxiety, or disrupted sleep patterns due to the caffeine content in coffee. Additionally, coffee's diuretic properties may lead to increased urine production. Arabica coffee beans are generally favored for their higher quality, delivering a smoother and less acidic taste compared to Robusta coffee beans. Furthermore, Arabica coffee typically contains lower levels of caffeine than Robusta coffee, making it a preferable choice for those sensitive to caffeine. 4. Green tea. Regular consumption of green tea, which is also abundant in polyphenol, can mitigate the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. It may be necessary to drink approximately 6 cups of green tea daily to reap these advantages. Matcha, a powdered variant of green tea, boasts even higher polyphenol content. Compounds found in green tea have been shown to alleviate inflammation, reduce stress hormones, and combat insulin resistance. Opting for unsweetened iced green tea can offer hydration without causing blood sugar spikes. While green tea is generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience side effects such as sensitivity to caffeine, gastrointestinal discomfort, and potential interference with iron absorption. Moreover, green tea could interact with certain medications, underscoring the importance of consulting with a healthcare professional. Selecting a high-quality organic whole-leaf green tea not only enhances flavor but also maximizes health benefits. 5. Ginger tea. Ginger tea is enriched with gingerols, compounds that contribute to the regulation of fasting blood sugar levels and enhancement of insulin sensitivity. Its consumption can play a pivotal role in glycemic regulation, effectively preventing sustained elevations in blood sugar. Research indicates that individuals who consume ginger tea, unsweetened green tea, or cinnamon tea instead of plain water following the consumption of refined white flour bread experienced reduced instances of blood sugar spikes. Additionally, a separate study observed that ginger supplementation led to decreased fasting blood sugar levels and improved long-term blood sugar control among individuals with diabetes. While ginger tea is generally safe for consumption, some individuals may encounter digestive discomfort or allergic reactions. Moreover, it has the potential to interact with certain medications, necessitating consultation with a healthcare professional. Incorporating ginger tea into a comprehensive diabetes management strategy can yield beneficial outcomes. 6. Green smoothies. Green smoothies offer a convenient and efficient method to boost fiber and nutrient intake while ensuring adequate hydration. By incorporating green vegetables like spinach, kale, or celery into your smoothie, you can significantly enhance your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Adding a protein powder source to your smoothie further enhances satiety and promotes muscle health. It's advisable to prepare green smoothies at home using fresh ingredients to maximize their nutritional content. While generally regarded as healthy, it's essential to be mindful of certain compounds that may pose adverse effects on certain individuals. For instance, oxalates, present in green leafy vegetables such as spinach and kale, could contribute to kidney stone formation in susceptible individuals when consumed excessively. Additionally, goitrogens found in some green vegetables like kale and broccoli may disrupt thyroid function if consumed in large amounts. Nevertheless, cooking or lightly steaming these vegetables can mitigate their effects. If you have specific concerns, seeking advice from healthcare professionals can offer personalized guidance tailored to your individual requirements. 7. Kombucha. Kombucha, a fermented beverage crafted from black or green tea, boasts a high probiotic content that holds promise for enhancing blood sugar management in individuals with type 2 diabetes. The probiotics present in kombucha play a pivotal role in amplifying insulin sensitivity and mitigating insulin resistance, thus facilitating glycemic regulation. With approximately 7 grams of carbohydrates per 1 cup serving, kombucha stands as a suitable choice for adherents of low-carb diets. While generally regarded as safe and advantageous, it's prudent to observe certain precautions. The inherent acidity of kombucha might trigger discomfort for individuals with sensitive stomachs or digestive ailments. Due to the fermentation process, trace amounts of alcohol may be present, warranting caution for those with a history of alcoholism, pregnant individuals, or those adhering to dietary restrictions concerning alcohol consumption. Moreover, flavored variations of kombucha may incorporate added sugars or sweeteners, underscoring the importance of opting for unsweetened or low-sugar alternatives. 8. Barley water. Barley water stands out for its abundance of insoluble fiber, offering notable benefits in stabilizing blood glucose levels among individuals with diabetes. Its richness in fiber works to slow down digestion, thereby regulating the absorption of carbohydrates and sugars to avert sudden spikes in blood sugar. Research suggests that integrating barley into one's diet enhances glycemic control in diabetes. Crafting barley water involves rinsing half a cup of barley grains and soaking them in water for 4 to 6 hours, followed by cooking the barley in water for approximately 30 minutes until it reaches a softened state. After removing the grains, allow the mixture to cool before consumption. However, when incorporating barley water into your routine, exercising caution is paramount. Take note of any allergies or sensitivities to barley or gluten. Additionally, it's advisable to gradually increase fiber intake and ensure sufficient hydration to minimize the risk of digestive discomfort. 9. Lemon water. Lemon water offers several potential benefits in diabetes management. Research suggests that it can decelerate the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar, thereby reducing the extent of blood sugar spikes. Recognized as superfoods by the American Diabetes Association, lemons are esteemed for their fiber and vitamin C content. With a low glycemic index, lemons possess the ability to postpone blood sugar spikes. Moreover, the polyphenol present in lemons may enhance insulin sensitivity and exhibit antioxidant properties. Nonetheless, it's crucial to acknowledge that lemons are not a standalone solution for diabetes and should be integrated into a comprehensive management strategy. Seeking guidance from healthcare professionals is recommended to tailor approaches according to individual needs. 10. Apple cider vinegar. Small-scale studies have explored the potential connection between apple cider vinegar and blood sugar regulation, yielding varying findings. While some research conducted in rats indicates potential benefits such as decreased LDL and A1C levels, further investigation involving human subjects is warranted. Limited evidence suggests that consuming diluted apple cider vinegar with water may aid in reducing blood sugar levels following meals. A meta-analysis of studies focusing on type 2 diabetes suggests potential benefits of apple cider vinegar in improving fasting blood sugar and HbA1c levels. For potential benefits, it's recommended to opt for organic, unfiltered, and raw apple cider vinegar containing the mother culture. However, it's essential to approach its use with caution. Individuals with kidney issues or ulcers should refrain from using apple cider vinegar, as excessive consumption may lead to reduced potassium levels and erosion of tooth enamel. Consulting with a healthcare professional before incorporating apple cider vinegar into one's routine is advisable. To summarize, it's vital to recognize that while these interventions may support a diabetes management strategy, they should not serve as substitutes for medical guidance or prescribed therapies. Thus, it's imperative to seek advice from a healthcare provider before integrating any new remedies into your regimen. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.